Hello and welcome to TFM. The TFM Pro Trading terminal offers a variety of features for traders. Over on the right-hand side, we have a swap box where traders can perform market and limit orders. In the middle here, we have this aggregated limit order book display, providing a virtual representation of the liquidity available. There is also the Pro Chatting section and a full trade history, as well as limit order display. This is a nice feature that allows users to customize the display to their taste. Additionally, users can change the display, completely mirroring it.